Animal Company is about to change forever. A few months ago, they put in a link in their Discord server of the new map. But now, you can get there early. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. So, let's get into it. Okay, so what you need is an umbrella. I have it on your back. I don't know if it's on good or not. I'm pretty sure it is. And you want to get a small bag. Well, you could get any bag, but I'm just getting that. Then we want to get 2 rockets. Okay, keep that in your hand. Then get a teleportation grenade. Follow me. We need to go to the lab now. Okay, so now all you need to do is get your teleportation grenade. You want to try and stick it in there. See, that didn't work. Bruh! Bruh! Finally! Now we're here. Okay, let me make you guys follow me. You want to come down here a bit. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, so you want to get your 2 rockets now. Okay, follow me a bit. Watch out, because your umbrella it could make you fall off. Okay, now you guys can see, but like behind me, you want to aim for like over there by the rock things, and then you want to go like a bit right. So I'm going for it. Oh, I see it. No, not again. Yes, we finally made that first try. Definitely. This is the new map. It's pretty cool. If you come here, the place where it's the costume suggestions, it's just Shrek saying busted. Guess they knew we were coming here. You can do everything. You can literally get stuff here. There's a mirror that works, but it's kind of like glitching out. You can join your friends, and you can join codes. So I will be exploring everything around here. The stash also works. We got the Nut Horizon right here. I don't know if it'll send me back to the original map, but I'm not going to it. This right here can be mines. You can tell it says danger. Keep out. There you go. Selling machine. In here. One of my favorite things, where I'm probably gonna start doing my intros, is up here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, right here. It's probably where I'm gonna start making intros. Pretty good spot. Like, bro, just imagine this, like the Animal Company just had a massive update. That'd be good. Got some parkour. This over here is where you're gonna spawn. So yeah, that will probably be it. It's pretty fun. You can do it in public also. So yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.